Hey everybody, it's Scott Galden from Simmons Floor Covering and Total Renovations. We're back at the Flip House. We're turning it over today, doing some last minute touch-ups, but wanted to share with you exactly how this project turned out. We started with a fireplace. You remember it was with natural colored bricks, but now we've painted the whole thing white, really brought it up to date, given it a really thoroughly modern look. Here in the kitchen, we were able to salvage the existing cabinets. And what we did is we painted all of the cabinets white, added new hardware, and again, brought a really fresh look to exactly how the cabinets are going to look in the kitchen. Now we're back in the master bathroom. In this space, we used to have a jacuzzi tub that we pulled that out and expanded the master shower so that it fills the space. We'll be adding some glass, some frameless glass here and a frameless glass door in the next couple of days. I'm now standing where the shower used to be. Tore out the shower, capped off all of the plumbing, and then we built custom cabinets here for linen storage. This particular master bath was limited in the amount of storage it has, so now we have custom cabinets with lots and lots of storage room. I'm now in the breakfast area. This is the area where we thought we could make a real big difference. If you can look up, you can see how much it's changed the entire look of this area. It looks about twice the size of what it used to look like. We've got a new light fixture here and really made a difference.